Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the force law for simple harmonic motion. The force law for simple harmonic motion. Before that, so what is simple harmonic motion? So a periodic motion is consist that to and fro motion is called the simple harmonic motion. Such simple harmonic motion, the force is directly proportional to the displacement, or a acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement and opposite direction, and the displacement is towards that particular acceleration is towards the mean is called the simple harmonic motion. We know that. So here we are considering a rigid wall, and this is frictionless surface. On the frictionless surface, one side a spring is the spring constant. We consider K spring constant. A spring is connected one end rigid wall, another end, so it is connected a mass of the black. So when the force is applied right side direction, a force is applied on right side direction. So before that, this is the mean position. Mean position is nothing but it is a equilibrium position. In equilibrium position, already we learned about the equilibrium position is nothing but the normal reaction is equals to the gravitational force. Here the gravitational force is downward direction and normal reaction is upward direction. So n equals to mg, so it is constant. So this is equilibrium position. In equilibrium position, so this is mean point. So here no displacement, x equals 0, t equals 0, at t equals 0, x equals to 0. When the force is applied, here the force is applied, what happens? It moves. So the block is moves and it is displaced a certain position. So the block is displaced. So the block is displaced, the displacement we have taken x. After the removing the force, what happens? It is compressed. So then it is comes to, so like this left hand side. So the block is comes to left hand side. So it moves this side and this side, and again it is moves like this side. So it is oscillate continuously. So this oscillation, to and fro oscillation, to and fro motion is called the simple harmonic motion. So this simple harmonic motion, we can take the maximum amplitude, so the maximum displacement when the force is applied. After the force is removing, it is oscillate some displacement. So for example, the displacement we have taken x, so this is also we have taken x. Okay, it is oscillates continuously. So from the mean position, so it is oscillate continuously, so it is called the simple harmonic motion. So due to the Newton's second law, using Newton's second law. So what is Newton's second law? Newton's second law of motion, linear motion. So it is taken F equals to ma. Okay, so we are taken the force of instant time. So F of t equals to m is constant, a of t, function of t. So this is, we have taken equation number 1. Okay, next So from the equation, so before the topic, velocity and acceleration of simple harmonic motion. So what is the equation? A of t, from simple harmonic motion, A of t equals to minus omega square into x of t. So this is equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So what is the equation? F of t equals to minus m omega square x of t. So this is equation number 3. Okay, so in equation number 3, x of t, displacement is change with time. Force also is change. When the force is change, the force is increases, the displacement is increases. When the force is decrease, displacement is decrease. But m, okay, m is constant, angular frequency also constant. The term is m omega square is constant. We have take here the constant. So f of t equals to minus k into x of t, equation number 4. So here k is a constant. This constant will taken here spring constant or force constant. So the force constant k or spring constant k here. Next, so we can take equation number 3, from equation number 3 and equation number 4. So k equals to, so what is k? K equals to m omega square. So that is omega square equals to k by m, and omega, angular frequency of simple harmonic motion, omega equals to k by m. So this is equation number 5. Okay, angular frequency, the angular frequency of simple harmonic, this simple harmonic motion is omega equals to square root of k by m. So here we are consider equation number equation number 3. Okay, equation number 3. Actually, what is simple harmonic motion? It is consist of to and fro motion, and also acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Okay, here like if equation number 4, from equation number 4, so k is constant, that is spring constant. So then what can we write? So f of t is directly proportional to minus x of t. Okay, f of t is directly proportional to the minus x of t. That means the force is directly proportional to the displacement of block of mass and opposite direction. Okay, the force is which direction? It is towards the mean position. Okay, the force is applied force is directly proportional to the displacement, and it is towards the mean position at any time. This type of force, okay, this type of force is called the restoring force of simple harmonic motion. So this force, the force is called restoring force. Restoring force in simple harmonic motion. So we already studied about the restoring force is nothing but the opposite. Okay, so the force is applied on the spring is called the restoring force. So it is come to mean position, that is left hand side or right hand side. The force is opposite to the displacement. So in simple harmonic motion, so the restoring force is towards the mean position. Okay, and again when the force is directly proportional to the displacement, a particle is oscillating with a such force. So this force is called, so such type of motion is called the linear simple harmonic oscillator, that is linear harmonic oscillator. Okay, the force is directly proportional to the x of t displacement. Okay, displacement along linear motion. So it is to and fro motion, linear motion. So such type of motion is called the linear harmonic oscillator. Okay, so this is the force law for simple harmonic motion. Force law for the simple harmonic motion, it is consists of simple harmonic motion, to and fro motion. And so here it is consist of restoring force. Due to the restoring force, the force is towards the mean position and it is displacement is increases with restoring force. And again omega angular frequency, omega equals to square root of k by m. Okay, I hope you are understood the class. Thank you. Okay, listen. So we will discuss example number 8.5. A body oscillates with simple harmonic motion according to the equation is x equals to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. At t equals 1.5 seconds, calculate the displacement, speed and acceleration of the body. We already is derived the equations for the velocity, that is speed and acceleration. Okay, here the equation is given. So solvation is given a equation x equals to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. In this equation, so for example this is equation number 1. So already we know that the equation of displacement x of t equals to a cos omega t plus pi. So this is the equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, so what is the amplitude? Amplitude a equals to 5 meters and omega equals to 2 pi radian per second and pi equals to, so it is pi equals to pi by 4. Okay, next we have taken t at t equals 1.5 seconds. So here at t equals to 1.5 seconds. So then, so what is the acceleration? So what is the displacement? Okay, displacement. So first one, we can find displacement. displacement is nothing but, so x of t equals to same phi cos here 2 pi into t equals to 1.5 plus pi by 4. Okay, so x of t equals to 5 cos 2 pi into 1.5, that is 3 pi plus pi by 4. So that equals to, it is also written as 5 cos 2 pi plus pi. Okay, 2 pi plus pi plus pi by 4. So this is 2 pi plus pi by 4. 2 pi plus something equals to cos 2 pi plus something equals to cos. So we know that 5 cos pi plus pi by 4. Okay, here cos pi is nothing but 180 degrees. So pi radian equals to 180 degrees. So that equals to minus cos pi by 4. Okay, so here cos pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2 minus 5 into 1 by root 2, that equals to 0.707. So that equals to minus 5 into 0.707. Okay, so what is the value? The value is x of t equals to minus 5 into 0.707 equals to 3.535 meters. So this is the displacement. Okay, displacement of a particle at t equals to the time t equals to 1.5 seconds. Next, B, speed. So what is the speed equation for the speed? So here speed equation is speed v of t equals to minus a omega sin omega t plus pi. Okay, so v of t equals to minus a equals to minus 5, omega equals to 2 pi, sin omega equals to, so here 2 pi into 1.5 plus pi by 4. Okay, that equals to minus 10 pi sin 3 pi plus pi by 4. So that equals to, so it is also same, 10 pi minus 10 pi sin 3 pi is nothing but 2 pi plus pi by 4. There is no change. Okay, sin 2 pi plus theta equals to sin theta. So that equals to minus 10 pi sin pi plus pi by 4. Okay, sin pi plus pi by 4 equals to minus sin, okay, sin pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta. So that equals to minus into minus, that is minus 10 pi into minus sin pi by 4. Minus into minus plus 10 pi sin pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2, that is 0.707. Okay, that equals to, what is the value? The value is minus, so it is 10 into 22 by 7 into 0.707. So it is approximately equals to, okay, 7 ones are 7, 0.101. Okay, so that equals to 22 plus 22 meter per second. So this is velocity or speed, okay, speed of a simple harmonic motion of a particle. So next we can find out acceleration. So that's C, acceleration of a particle equals to, directly we can write minus omega square into x of t. It equals to minus 2 pi whole square into x of t equals to minus 3.535. Okay, so the value is, we can multiply it. So this simplify this values, minus into minus plus, so plus here 140 meter per second square. So this is a of t value, acceleration of a particle, a of t equals 140 meter per second square. Okay, this is end of the example number 8.5. Okay, listen. So we are discussing another example, is example number 8.6. Two identical springs of spring constant K are attached to a block of mass M and two fixed supports as shown in figure. This is the figure. M mass of the block is fixed, two springs, so with spring constant K, and the spring is fixed at support, two supports. This is a rigid wall. So here also a rigid wall. Okay, it is fixed and it is connected, the springs is connected to the a block of mass M. Show that when the mass is displaced, so when the mass is displaced from its equilibrium position on either side, it executes a simple harmonic motion. Find the period of oscillations. So here, listen, it is mean position, so it's equilibrium position. At equilibrium position, the normal reaction is upward direction is equals to the downward direction gravitational force. We know that. So here we are find out the period of oscillations, and it is consist when the mass M is displaced either right side or left side. It is consist the simple harmonic motion. It is executes simple harmonic motion. So for example, so this is same the rigid walls. So it is a rigid wall, left side a rigid wall, a right side. Okay, so this spring constant K, so it is also spring constant K. So when, so it is actually equilibrium position here, so before the force is applied. So here the force when the mass, so when the mass of the body is displaced, okay, it is displaced some x displacement. What happens? It is displaced means it is enlarged or enlanged, so it is compressed. So it is enlarged, the spring, first spring is enlarged right side direction, and it is, so left side direction is spring is enlarged, right side spring is compressed. It is compressed to closer and it is enlarged. So then what happens here? After the enlarging force, so again it is come to mean position. So this is restoring force. So the restoring force is applied on the body, on the block of M. Okay, so this force, the force is applied. So this type of force is on second spring, it is F2 to its mean position. Again, this enlarging is to compress. Okay, so such type of force also is F1 is push the force. So here, so it is come to same body, it is come to mean position. So the force is applied and first spring and second spring force is applied at same directions. So here the force on the first body F1 equals to the force on the body due to the first spring. The force F1 is nothing but force exerted by the spring. The force exerted by the spring on left side trying to pull. So trying to pull the mass towards the mean position. Actually this is the mean position. It is displaced here to pull the mean position of the body. The force equals to F equals to along minus K force constant into X. Okay, F1 equals to minus Kx. So this is equation number 1. And force on second spring, that is F2 equals to we have taken the force is exerted by the spring on right side. The force is exerted by the spring on right side spring trying to push. So it is pushed to the mean position, towards the mean position. So F2 equals to minus spring constant into displacement. So this is equation number 2. Okay, the force on second spring, it is push, and the force on first spring, it is pull to the mean position. So the total force on block of mass is F equals to what we have taken, F1 plus F2. So both are same direction. So F equals to F1 plus F2. So F equals to what we have taken, minus Kx minus of Kx. Okay, plus of minus Kx, that equals to minus 2Kx. So this is F equals to equation number 3. Actually the force, restoring force, so before this topic, force law for simple harmonic motion, we derive that force F equals to minus m omega square, okay, x. Okay, equation number 4. So this equation number 3 and equation number 4 says denotes execute simple harmonic motion. So from equation number 3 and equation number 4, so here m omega square equals to 2 into k. Okay, displacement is same, force and force is same. So then, so it is executes, so omega square equals to, so 2k by m. So here omega equals to square root of 2k by m. So this is equation number 5. So here this is execute simple harmonic motion. So because it is push, second spring is pushed to the mean position, and first spring is pulled to the mean position, towards the mean position. Again it is moves some displacement, again it is comes to displacement, it is oscillate to and fro motion. So because of the force is applied, the restoring force is applied, the total force is applied on the body. So it is consist the angular frequency of simple harmonic motion omega equals to square root of 2k by m. So the relation between the angular frequency and time period. So the time period t equals to what? 2 pi by omega. So here omega is substitute in equation. So the time period t equals to 2 pi by omega by 2k by omega. Okay, 2k by omega. So that equals to 2 pi square root of 2k by m. So here square root of 2k by m. So 2 pi into m by 2k. So this is the time period for this simple harmonic motion. T equals to 2 pi into square root of m by 2k. Thank you.